This is the Weber E-325. We actually ended up spending a lot more money on this one than we had on previous models. We did that for a specific reason. We've gone through 3 or 4 different grills just in the same spot since we've lived here, and they just never produced kind of the meats that we wanted them to. They weren't cooking as evenly as we wanted to. They didn't cook as well or like control the temperature as well. And so we ended up splurging on this one to spend a little bit more money to make sure we were getting one of the better ones. We really read a ton of reviews. We looked into it a lot, and this one was one of the better options as far as just like an easy grill where it's going to be not super high end, but it's going to be something that's going to allow you to cook a really good meat, and it's going to be more consistent. It's going to be more consistent temperature, hold the temperature better, and it's just all around a better grill that's going to last a lot longer. So that's why we got this one. Let me show you some of the things we like about it. We've cooked a few times on it, and we have noticed how it's better to cook on it. It seems to cook the meats better. It seems easier to cook, easier to time, making sure that we're not overcooking and undercooking things. Let me show you a few other things. So here's a breakdown of some of the features. You've got handle racks here, so you can put your scrubbers and your tongs and things like that right there. Then on the front, you just got like a clean look here. Got a ton of extra space in and under here if you wanted to put some extra stuff under here. And there's where you put the propane. You got your starter right there. And you got like a magnetic close, so it feels really nice when you close it. You got really good wheels here that they lock down. So those wheels lock into place, and they're really easy to swivel it around. So if we're gonna move it, gonna move it over there, you have no problem doing that. It's super, super easy to move around. You got the auto starter there. You got the 3 zones. And then inside, you have a lot thicker grates, and so that makes it just a more even cook. So it's not like these really hot zone or really cold zones. Then you also have these, I don't know if you can see those, but you got a bunch of those different slats here, which also give you a more even cook. That's one of the reasons why we got this one, is because it's supposed to cook more evenly. You got 2 big areas here on the side. You got a big area there, and then a big area there for preparing and cutting and putting your cutting board or putting your meats. And then you have, again, on this side, you have another place to put some things there. Got a big handle in the front. Got a temperature gauge here. The top is actually a thicker material. It's like a thicker, more robust top here. You got a thicker, more robust top there. And we have felt like it has cooked better. Okay, so we're just cooking chicken on it right now. It's at about 400 degrees, and it's on about medium heat. And it has a ton of space, plenty of room for us to cook as much chicken as we would need. And so you still have a ton of space, even though we have, a lot of chicken on there. So I like how it's cooked. It seems to cook evenly. Again, it seems to cook more, just a better cook. Oftentimes with the other one, we'd have to like crank it all the way up to, to high, to like trying to get it the right heat, and then it'd be too hot, and then it'd be not hot enough in some areas. And so this one just is really, really nice. It seems to cook really evenly. It seems to keep the heat really, really consistently. So we've been really happy with it. So if you've been looking for a barbecue that's a little bit better, I think this is a good option. So hope that helps.